If you want to make a love shape, go to your rectangle tool, just create a simple shape like this. Then this place, hold this point, drag it so that you have a rounded edge. Duplicate it, before you duplicate it, let's put it to the angle of 45 degree. Then let's copy and duplicate, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then flip it to the other side horizontally. Click on it, then set it the way you want, and then ensure the top is aligned. Then highlight everything, select your shape selection tool, or use the shortcut Shift M. Press Alt to remove. That's why you have the minus sign to subtract. Click, hold Alt, click. Then now leave Alt and merge this without holding anything. Just you've merged it, and that's your love shape. You can try it and let me know. Thank you for watching. See you other time.